This is Algebra 2 Honors 2019-2020 first semester ACP study guide. This will be the first, and what I hope will be 25 short video lessons showing problem by problem what's going to be on our test here in a couple weeks. And the first one here is 1A. What is the solution to the system equation shown below? Here we have a system with three equations, three unknowns. And I'm going to do two things first. I'm going to solve this system by elimination, and then afterwards I'm going to show a matrix calculator solution. So if we multiply this bottom equation by 4, we're going to get 4x plus 4y plus 4z equals 4 times 0, which is 0. And then we're going to take this second equation and put it immediately underneath the first one. And then for that, we're going to get 2x minus 3y minus 4z is equal to -3. And then adding these two equations together, we get 6x and plus y. And we eliminated the z's here. We get -3. So there's one equation that we've distilled. Now, what I'm going to do is take these, the first and last, and add these together to get z out of there as well. So if we put x plus 2y minus z equals 7, that's the top equation. And then the very bottom one, we have x plus y plus z is equal to 0. We add these equations together. We get 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. Okay? Now we have two equations and two unknowns. And let's see what we're going to eliminate here. Let's eliminate the y here. What I'm going to do is multiply this equation here by -3. Multiply this by -3. I'm just going to continue this below. We get -18x, and then -3 times y is going to be -3y. And -3 times -3 is going to be 9. And so now I'm going to take this equation here and place it underneath this other one. So we have two equations, two unknowns. So we'll bring this equation right up here, and we're going to put in -18x minus 3y is equal to 9. And then we add these equations together, we get 2x minus 18x is going to be -16x. And then we cancel the y's. -16x equals 16. And so dividing by -16, we get x is equal to -1. So that's going to be one of our coordinate triples. And now we can take these other, one of these other equations. I'm going to take this x equals -1 and place it right in here. So we have 6 times x equals -1 plus y is equal to -3. And then if we'll have -6 plus y equals -3. And if we add 6 to both sides of this equation, we're going to get y is equal to 3. So there we are with our second coordinate. Finally, for z, we can use any of these equations. So I can use this last one. We're going to put x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Well, x is going to be -1 plus y is 3 plus z is equal to 0. On the left side, we have 2 plus z is equal to 0. If we subtract 2, we have z is equal to -2. So our coordinate triple it's going to be x equals -1, so -1 comma 3 comma -2 for z. And I recommend that you check also. Now we can also do this. A lot of my students like to use the matrix property in your calculator. So if you can rewrite this system in what we call augmented matrix form. So we have this numbers 1x plus 2y minus 1z equals 7. So that's going to be our top equation. And our middle equation is going to be 2, -3, -4, -3. And then the last one we're going to have is 1, 1, 1, 0. We go to our calculator and go to the matrix. I'm going to go there again and clear this out just to show you how to get there. So your calculator's cleared out. You go to second, x -1, which is matrix. Go over to edit. And in editing, you want to have a 3-row by 4-column matrix. So you put in 3, enter by 4. And you put in all the coefficients for the equations, which are going to be 1, x plus 2y minus z, -1z, equals 7. That's the first row. And then we have 2, -3, -4, -3. And the last one we have is 1x plus 1, plus y plus z is equal to 0. And then we clear this out and we go to second matrix. We go to math and we press B. I like to put alpha B, but I'm just going to scroll down there. So you do this REF, which stands for reverse row echelon form, reduced row echelon form, and then we press second matrix, enter, and we close the parentheses, and we get these values here. So we get -1, 3, -2. So I'm going to just write this out here. 1, 0, 0, -1, 0, 1, 0, 3, and then 0, 0, 1, -2. Those are our answers here. X equals -1, y equals 3, z equals -2. So coordinate triple is going to be this one right here that I'm boxing in. I hope this has been helpful to you. There are multiple ways of doing these problems. Good luck and thanks for viewing.